We are fixing an iPhone XS. What is wrong with this phone is that sometimes it won't take any charge. Sometimes it will try to start and then it will reboot and you will see a green tint on the screen. From my past experiences, it is usually something wrong with Face ID, proximity sensors on this model. What we are going to do today is open the phone. Oh, so now it's rebooting. So open the phone and see if there's anything obvious that is wrong. But if there's nothing obvious, we are going to disconnect the sensor, the Face ID, earpiece, proximity sensor, flex, and see if the phone boots up. Usually with these old phones, customers only care about the data, so we might not fix it. We might only make it work and then get the data out of the phone. So phone is already open. So this is the piece we're going to, let's see, this is the flex we're going to disconnect, and is this entire piece right here. So we're going to disconnect it and see if the phone stops boot looping, showing a green tint. It will take a charge from the lightning connector. So we already disconnected this flex right here. It is disconnected. So let's see if the phone will boot up, take a charge. Oh, it's not charged, so let's try and charge the phone. And so now the phone is trying to boot up. So it did boot up. Let me type the password. So yeah, this phone, so this phone, it's a new battery, 77%, and of course Face ID is not going to work, and there's some damage on the screen on the top. It's an iPhone XS. And let's see if it is charging. It's 5%. So we are going to contact the customer and see if he or she wants to replace that piece. But probably Face ID is no longer going to work anyways. If not, we are just going to get the data. Thank you for watching. Well guys, this is the end of the video. If you like what you saw, make sure you click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.